Hey there, frustrated because you can't cast to your Roku device? You're not alone. Knowing how to fix Roku Cast not working can save you from missing out on your favorite shows and movies. In this guide, we'll walk you through simple yet effective methods to get your casting feature back up and running smoothly. Step 1. Ensure devices are on the same network. The most common reason for Roku Cast not working is that the casting device and Roku are not on the same Wi-Fi network. First, check both your casting device, like smartphone or tablet, and your Roku settings to ensure they are connected to the same wireless network. Switching one of the devices to the correct network might immediately solve your problem. Step 2. Restart your devices. Sometimes a simple restart is all you need. Start by turning off your Roku device and then unplugging it from the power source. Do the same with your casting device. Wait for about 10 seconds before plugging your Roku back in and turning it on. Follow the same steps for the casting device. Once both devices are back online, try casting again. This can refresh connectivity and clear glitches that might be causing the issue. Step 3. Update your Roku and casting device. Outdated software can often lead to casting issues. To fix Roku Cast not working, ensure both your Roku and casting devices have the latest updates installed. For Roku, go to Settings on your Roku home screen. Navigate to System and choose System Update. Click Check Now to see if updates are available. For your casting device, head to your device settings and look for System Updates or Software Updates. Follow the prompts to ensure you have the latest version. Step 4. Enable screen mirroring on Roku. Screen mirroring might be disabled on your Roku, which could be why casting isn't working. To enable, follow these steps. Go to Settings on Roku's home screen. From there, select System followed by Screen Mirroring. Choose Screen Mirroring Mode and set it to Prompt or Always Allow. Confirm this setting on your Roku to ensure it accepts casting requests from your device. Step 5. Check app-specific settings. Sometimes the app you're casting from can cause issues. Check that the app is functioning correctly. Ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. Try reinstalling the app on your device to clear any internal bugs. Check for any app-specific settings regarding casting and ensure they are appropriately configured. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Roku Cast not working and get back to streaming without a hitch. Whether it's ensuring your devices are on the same network, restarting them, updating software, enabling screen mirroring, or troubleshooting the app itself, these methods cover all bases for a smooth casting experience. Remember to always check your connection settings and keep your devices up to date to prevent future casting issues. Enjoy your streaming.